Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to attach a Fitbit Inspire 3 band. First, lay out your tracker and the two distinct band pieces. One piece has a buckle and the other has a clasp. Make sure the tracker's screen is facing up. Each band piece has a tiny spring bar that helps it connect. Understanding these parts is the first step to a secure and comfortable fit. We will go through each step carefully. Now, let's attach the buckle band. Hold this piece so the buckle faces the top of your Inspire 3 tracker. Carefully align one end of the spring bar with a pinhole on the tracker's side. Then, gently push the spring bar inward and slide the other end into the opposite pinhole. You should hear a soft click as it locks into position. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it is secure. Next, we will attach the clasp band. This piece should be oriented so the clasp faces the bottom of your Inspire 3 tracker. Just like before, align one end of the spring bar with a pinhole. Push the spring bar inward and guide the band until the other end clicks into its pinhole. It is important that both ends are fully engaged for a reliable connection. Double-check its stability. Finally, perform a quick check to ensure both band pieces are perfectly attached. Gently pull on each side of the band to confirm it does not come loose. A secure connection is vital for accurate tracking and comfort. Once confirmed, adjust the band to fit snugly but comfortably on your wrist. Remember, proper attachment ensures your Inspire 3 stays with you throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.